Good evening to everyone. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class. My friends, we are doing multiple choice questions. Completed trigonometry, even almost completed, we got coordinate geometry. Then today, a few more examples left on coordinate geometry. Just 4 or 5 examples or 3 or 4 examples. Then I want to do half dozen examples on applications of trigonometry. That is examples based on heights and distances. That today is what I wanted to do. If I do today almost all examples, probable examples on trigonometry as well as what? Coordinate geometry on multiple choice questions, MCQs. Available with you, my friends. Available with you. Yes, my friends. Now, first I do anyway continuation of what? Trigonometry. In the previous video, coordinate geometry we had done. Second video yesterday. That is the previous video. Then I want to continue with the coordinate geometry. Another 4 or 5 examples they are there on the board. I will explain them. Then another only one example left. I will do it. Yes, my friends. This is with SSLC or 10th Mathematics 2021 exam. We are doing multiple choice questions on coordinate geometry. Today is the 3rd class of what is coordinate geometry. That result yesterday just explained in the previous video. What is that? If the area of the triangle is 0, then the vertices of a triangle lies on the same line. If the points lies on the same line, then we say the points are collinear. This happens when area of a triangle is 0. If the area of a triangle is 0, vertices of a triangle lie on the same line and hence they are collinear. Yes, my friends. Conversely, if the points are collinear, then area of the triangle is 0. Yes, my friends. See, this is the first question. The coordinates of the vertices of a triangle are collinear. Then area of the triangle is dash. First, my friend, first option, area equal to 0. Second option, area greater than 0. Third option, area less than 0. The fourth option is none of these. Yes, my friend. What is the question? The coordinates of a vertices of a triangle are collinear. Then the area of the triangle is first option equal to 0. Second option greater than 0. Third option less than 0. Fourth option is none of these. Yes, my friends. What is the answer? Answer is A. My friends. Area is 0. It is over here. Then area of the triangle is 0. First option is the answer. This is second. Value of the P, unknown P. Value of P for which the points A 3,1, B 5, P and C 7, -5 are collinear. Value of P is, these are the options. First option is 2, second option is 5, third option is -2, fourth option is -5. points are collinear, my friends. When the points are collinear, this gives what? Area of the triangle is 0. What is area of the triangle? Half. I explained this method. You have to start with the coordinates of the first vertex A, 3, 1, B, 5, P, C, 7, minus 5. I told beginning and closing must be same. Beginning and closing must be same. Then first you come down. Take this 1 by 2 this side. This 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Come down. 3 into P. 3P. This is minus 25. Plus with minus is minus. This is plus 1 into 7 is 7. Minus. You have to go up. This is minus 15 plus 7P plus 5 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Simplify. 3P minus 18. What is it? Minus 15 plus 5 means minus 10. Minus 10 with minus is plus 10. Minus with plus is minus 7P equal to 0. Minus 7P equal to 0. Plus 3P minus 7P gives minus 4P. Minus 18 plus 10 is minus 8 equal to 0. Then what is the value of P? So it is minus 4P equal to 8, taking this side. Therefore, the value of P is 8 by minus 4. 8 by minus 4 means what is it? Minus 2. The value of P is minus 2. Which option is the answer? Third option is the answer, C. Third option is the answer. Answer C. Answer C. Hope understood. The value of P for which these points are collinear. These points are collinear. Yes. Area of the triangle is 0. This is half. I told that alternative method. What is it? Write the coordinates of the A, then B, then C, then A. A, B, C, A. Come down first. Down. Not straight. Down. Multiply them and add them. 3P minus 25 with plus is minus. Plus 7. This is first bracket. Minus. Go up. It is minus 15 plus 7P plus 5 equal to 0. This is 3P minus 18 minus. Minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Minus with minus is plus 10. Minus with plus 7P is minus 7P equal to 0. So this is 3 minus 7 means minus 4P minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, it is what? P equal to minus 2. P equal to minus 2. Option is third option, my friends. Third option. Yes. Next, this is third question, third example. If the points A1 to O00 and AB are collinear, then one of the options, first option is A equal to B, second option is A equal to 2B, third option is B equal to 2A, fourth option is A plus B equal to 0. A plus B equal to 0. Same, again collinear. Area of the triangle is 0, which is half into coordinates of A, 1, 2. Then next point is O. Next point is AB. Next is 1, 2. Beginning and closing must be same. Beginning and closing must be same. This half into 0 is 0. Come down first. 0. Don't write. 0. Don't write. A into 2 is 2A. Minus, so to go up now. 1 into B minus B. Again, this is 0. This is 0. Now this is minus B. Shifting B this side, B equal to 2A. B equal to 2A. Which option is the answer? This, my friends. B equal to 2 means option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. This is example 4. Example 4. If the points A comma 0, 0 comma B, and 1, 1 are collinear, then the value of 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to dash, 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to dash. Yes, my friends, again collinear, area of the triangle is 0, half into coordinates first, this is second, this is third, then first. First come down, AB, AB. This is 0, no need to write. This is 0, no need. This is bracket, first bracket, minus, minus. This is second bracket, A into 1. 1 into B plus B equal to 0. Shift this side, AB equal to A plus B. So 1 equal to A plus B upon AB. What is this? A upon AB means 1 by B plus B upon AB means 1 by A. Therefore, what is the value of 1 by A plus 1 by B? Value is 1. So the option is A. Option is A. Option is A. Is correct? Yes, my friend. One more is there. That is the fifth example. The area of the triangle ABC with vertices A. It is A comma B plus C. B, B comma C plus A. C, C comma A plus B is dash. Area of the triangle ABC with vertices A comma B plus C. B, B comma C plus A. C, C comma A plus B is dash. These are the options. 0, A, B, C, A plus B plus C. D is what? A plus B plus C, the whole square. If you look at this one, this example is lengthy. We can't complete this example in one second. Why? My friends, 40 questions. 40 questions. 1 hour. 1 hour means what? 60 minutes. Then you have to complete one example in 1 minute, little more seconds. We are unable to complete this example in 1 minute. In such cases, you must keep this example under what? R and R. What do you mean by R and R? Read and remember. You have to read repeatedly and remember the answer. So the answer is easy to remember. This is 0. Answer is 0, my friend. See, they are with a cyclic A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Then what is the area? 0. Otherwise, you can go with what? Any method, either this method, otherwise your usual method. In this case, the area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle is 0. Then one example on perimeter of a triangle, where the vertices of a triangle are, they give what? Very simple, my friends. One simple example I do. 1 minute. See, my friend, these are 5 examples. I told this, you have to read, remember, and you have to read, you have to remember the formula, because if you solve it, that takes more than 1 minute, man. Don't waste time. Yes. Yes. Yes, my friends, this is a perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 6, 0 and 0, 8. 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 8. These are the vertices. Then what is perimeter? Sum of the sides. Perimeter of the triangle is OA plus AB plus OB. Then for OA, y coordinates are 0. Don't consider. What is this? 6 minus 0 whole square means what? 6 square. Square root is 6. Then AB. AB is what? Square root. 6 minus 0 whole square. 36. Plus 0 minus 8 whole square. Minus 8 whole square is 64. But if you are very smart, what is the square root of 6 square and 8 square, Pythagorean number? Directly you can write 10. This is, my friends, multiple choice. This is your main exam. This is multiple choice. Just you have to write what? 6, 8. Immediately your hand should write what? The remaining number, Pythagorean number is what? 10. What is this? Again 0 minus 0, leave it. 8 minus 0 whole square is 8 itself. Then what is the answer? 6 plus 10 plus 8 is 24 units. 24 means this, my friends. 24 means answer C. Answer C. C. Yes. Then one more about the median. Median of a triangle. The vertices of a triangle are A 4 comma minus 6, B 3 comma minus 2, and C 5 comma 2. Then the length of the median through the first vertex. First vertex means, my friend, A. Is, these are the options: 6, 8, 10, 12. Now you know the definition of a median. What is median? It is a line joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. What is median? Median is a line joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Then D is what? Midpoint of BC. Directly you can write. All these drama, that is for the only main exam, writing in detail. But for multiple choice questions, you must write very less. Take D. What is D? Midpoint. Write the coordinates. 3 plus 5 divided by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 means it is 0. Now, what is median? AD. Again, the friend is given simple. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again, minus 6, the whole square is what? 6. What is the option? A is the option, my friend. Option A. Like this, even if they want to give, they consider the vertices of a triangle so that your calculation must be very simple. Calculation must be very simple, my friends. This is median. This is one example with a median. This is another example with a perimeter of a triangle. And one more thing, what we left is about the centroid of a triangle. I will explain here. Centroid of a triangle. Anyway, at least I have done this example long. I remove it. Yes. Definition, my friends. And this is the triangle. This is triangle ABC. ABC. You know the median. This is first median, AD. It is a line joining what? Vertex with midpoint of the opposite side. This is the midpoint. Then this is second median. And the third median should pass through this point of intersection. This is E. Then this is F, my friend, this. This is G, usually we denote G. And G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. G is what? Centroid. And centroid of a triangle divides the median, each median, in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 is correct. Then, if the coordinates of A are x1, y1, B, x2, y2. C, x3, y3, x3, y3. Then coordinates of the centroid. Coordinates of the centroid. Is add all x coordinates. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Add all y coordinates. y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Upon 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid. Just remember this formula, that's all. Remember this formula, coordinates of the centroid, and they may give one example, Just I do an example based on this, my friends. Example. Centroid. Centroid of the triangle with vertices first 0, 5, 3, 0 and 6, 4 is dash. These are the options, my friend. 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, then none of these. None of this. Yes, my friend. What is it? Centroid, add all x coordinates. Centroid, add all x coordinates 0, plus 3, plus 6, 9. 9 upon 3. What is 9 upon 3? 3. 3. Okay, second. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 4 is 9 upon 3. Then what is the answer? 3, 3. So mark it. C is the answer, which is 3, 3, my friend. Don't write 3, 3. Actually, you directly have to mark it. Don't spend in writing this answer and marking. What is the answer? 3, 3. Just mark it. C, my friend. Then there is another example on this. Centroid. Another example. If the centroid of the triangle having vertices at 3, minus 5, minus 7, 4 and 10, minus k is at k, minus 1, then the value of k is dash. So these are the options 3, 1, 2, 4. These are the options, my friends. C. You wanted the value of k. See, you observe x coordinates, x coordinates divided by 3 equal to what? K. Direct answer. Is it correct? 3 minus 7 plus 10 upon 3. This, apply this. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. This is the x coordinate of the centroid. What is the x coordinate of the centroid? Is this. Therefore, you take only x coordinate, my friend. It is 3 minus 7 plus 10 upon 3. We don't want it. Equal to what? This is k minus 1. Then you take this equal to this. Therefore, k is plus 3 is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. So the value of k is 2 means which option, my friend? Option C is the answer. I hope understood. K is given this, G is given. G is what? K comma minus 1. K comma minus 1. What is the coordinates? Add x coordinates. 3 minus 7 plus 10 upon 3. We no interest. Don't spend the time in writing this y coordinates. Why? Your friend is in the first place, x coordinate. Therefore, k equal to what? 6 upon 3 means 2. So, the option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Yes, my friends. These are some examples I have selected on coordinate geometry, MCQs. See, my friends, I have done in the beginning based on only what? Coordinates of a point, quadrants, x-axis, y-axis, everything. Only basic examples I have done. After that, I have considered examples on distance formula. Then, that is with the first video. In the second video, I have done with what? Examples based on midpoint formula, section formula, even I have done some examples based on area formula also, directly area of the triangle. Some few more examples that result, my friend. What is that result? If the points are collinear, area of a triangle is 0. Today I have done with what? Some 2-3 examples connected with which one? That result. What is that result? If the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle is 0. Then I have done one example with the perimeter, another example with what? This one. Median of a triangle, one example. Later, centroid of a triangle having the coordinates, vertices, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Yes. What is the result? Add x coordinates divided by 3, add y coordinates divided by 3. Don't confuse this with midpoint formula. In case of midpoint formula, you have x1 plus x2 by 2. See, y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 terms divided by 2, 3 terms divided by 3. Sometimes the students will be under confusion. This also they write what? 2. 2 is with midpoint formula. 3 is with centroid, my friends. Just one simple example. Centroid. Add all x coordinates divided by 2, y coordinates divided by 2. That will be the answer. They give one unknown here. Then you have to go for what? This. Otherwise, to find this k, you have to consider what? Y coordinates. That y coordinates is minus 1. You can get the same answer as 1, 2. And these are some examples of my friends' coordinate geometry. It is on multiple examples on coordinate geometry. This I have done some 15 to 20 minutes, my friends. Next is I do some very few examples on application of trigonometry. That is examples of heights and distances. Usually examples on heights and distances, earlier exams, my friends, always either they are the examples under 3 mark, otherwise examples under the 4 mark. There is no 1 mark, there is no objective type, there is no multiple choice questions and nothing else. Directly on application of trigonometry, so far with the previous question papers always appeared under what? Either 3 mark questions, otherwise 4 mark questions. lengthy examples. In that only, just we have to search for what? This MCQ examples. Now I do, just I give the definition of what? Angle of elevation, angle of depression, then 4 or 5 examples of angle of elevation means what? Heights and distances, my friends. Heights and distances. Yes, my friend. Yes. Yes, my friends, as I said, I want to do some MCQ questions. MCQ means multiple choice questions on application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry means it comes heights and distances. There, the very important play is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Let O be the observer's eye. O be the observer's eye. A line, horizontal line or straight line through O, namely OX. This line OX is called as horizontal or horizontal line. Then, if the object A is above the horizontal line, then the angle XOA, is known as angle of elevation. Once again, my friends, let O be the observer's eye. A straight line through the eye straight, that OX is known as horizontal. If the object A is above the horizontal, then the angle framed by what? This line OA is called as line of sight. This is horizontal line. Then the angle between or angle formed by line of sight with horizontal. This angle, namely angle XOA, is known as angle of elevation. Second, my friend, here. O be the observer's eye. Then a straight line OX through O is known as horizontal line. If the object B lies below the horizontal, there is A above the horizontal, there is A, B lies below the horizontal, then the angle formed by the line of sight with horizontal, this angle, what is that angle? XOB is known as angle of depression. Remember, my friends, for the angle of elevation, object will be above the horizontal. For angle of depression, the object is below the horizontal. The same thing I have written here. Let O be the observer's eye. A straight line through O is called horizontal or horizontal line. If the object A lies above the horizontal, then the angle XOA is called angle of elevation. If the object B lies below the horizontal, then the angle XOB is called angle of depression. Then, what is the name of this OA? Line of sight. What is this OB? Line of sight. Then, angle made by the line of sight with horizontal when the object is above elevation. Then, angle made by the line of sight with horizontal when the object is below. Below the horizontal, this angle is angle of depression, my friends. Therefore, note, for angle of elevation, object is above the horizontal. For angle of depression, object is below the horizontal. Above is elevation, below the depression. Remember, my friends. Now I do some 4 or 5 examples based on this elevation, depression. Okay. First question, MCQ example number 1. The angle formed by the line of sight, with horizontal when the object viewed below, below means what? Angle of depression. Below the horizontal is dash. Acute angle, obtuse angle, angle of elevation, angle of depression. Directly, my friends, below means what? Below means angle of depression. Below implies angle of depression, that is D. Quite simple, quite simple. In the figure, this figure, my friends, in the figure, the angles of depressions from the observing points O1 and O2. This is O1, this is O2. You wanted what? Angle of depressions. Of the object A. Object is here, my friend. These are observing points. This is object A. You wanted angle of depressions. Means you must look down, not above. You must look down. You must look down. That look down, then angle formed by horizontal with line of sight. That angle is known as angle of depression. This angle is given as 45 degrees. This angle is given as 60 degrees. With the help of these two, you must find angle of depressions of the object A from the observing points O1 and O2. O1 and O2. Yes, my friends. Now we do one by one. See here. See here. Now I remove it. This is object A. Object A. Your first point is O1. This is first observing point. This is given line. Then this angle is given. This angle is given as a 45 degrees. See there. This angle is given as 45 degrees. From O1, you wanted angle of depression. Through O1, you must, through O1, I write here. Through O1, draw O1x, which is a, what my friend, horizontal line. This is your line of sight. This is a line of sight. Then you wanted, this angle should be angle of depression. This angle should be angle of depression. Then what about this and this? So there are parallel lines. Parallel lines. As this angle is 45, then my friends, this angle must be 45. Therefore, angle of depression. Angle of depression from observing point O1 is 45 degrees. Is 45 degrees. Angle of depression means what? You must look down. This angle. This is given. These two are what? Parallel lines. Then which angles, my friends? Alternative angles. This is 45. This alternative angle is what? 45 degrees. Therefore, angle of depression below. This is below. See here. Angle of depression below. Depression from the point O1 is 45 degrees. Then what is that? Second, I take another figure here. That is better. Separate figures. A. This is given. This is given. This is the point O2. Second point. From here, my friend, what is this? Here, you have to draw first horizontal line. This O2x horizontal line. Then this angle is your angle of depression. This angle is your angle of depression. Your angle of depression. Then what is the support given? The friend is drawn here perpendicular, and this angle is given 60 degrees. Then this is perpendicular means what, my friend? This angle is 90 degrees. Then what about this? 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 means 30. Therefore, angle of depression. angle of depression from O2. 90 minus 60. 30 degrees. In this case, you have written 45 because alternative angles, my friends. Alternative angles. Angle of depression from O1 is 45 because of this. Otherwise, if you wanted to write one line more, O1 is what? Angle XO1A. But it is equal to what? Angle, you can take this is B, my friend. BAO1 or O1AB. O1AB, which is 45 degrees. Why it is? Because of alternative angles. Alternative angles. Alternative angles. This equal to this is alternative, but what is this angle is 45 degrees. Therefore, this angle is 45. But in this case, what? The sum is 90 degrees because it is a perpendicular here. And it is even 60. 90 minus 60 is what? 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Yes, my friend. I hope. Understood. Then I do another 2-3 examples. Yes. Next one. My friends, another 2-3 examples. I have done 2 examples, very simple. Directly angle of elevation, how to find angle of depressions. This is the 3rd example. If a tower 6 meter high casts a shadow 2 into root 3 meter long on the ground, then the sun's elevation means angle theta is, friend, asked. Sun's elevation means theta. These are the options: 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees. See, this is the figure. Tower, this is the tower, 6 meter high, casts a shadow. This is shadow, my friend. This is shadow. What is shadow length? 2 into root 3. Then you wanted, what is theta? In these cases, the main friend is who? Tan. Tan theta. What is tan theta? This is opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan theta. What is opposite? Always opposite is what? High. High means height. Height. This is what? Distance or length. This is length. Therefore, tan theta equal to height upon length, or this is the distance also you can say, length. So, what is it? 6 upon 2 into root 3. 6 upon 2 into root 3. So, if you wanted, you can write here, what is it? This is height divided by length, which is height is 6 upon 2 root 3. 2 cancels with 6, 3. 3 upon root 3 means directly 1 root 3 cancels. 1 root 3 cancels. We are left with root 3. Left with root 3. Therefore, tan theta equal to root 3 means what is the value of theta? 60 degrees. Why? Tan 60 root 3. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is tan 45? 1. These are the angles. You must remember. Root 3 corresponds 60. 1 by root 3 corresponds 30 degrees. 45 corresponds 1. It is root 3, my friend. Therefore, theta is 60. So, the option is A, first option. This is second option. The angle of depression of a car which is at a distance 5 root 3 meter from the foot of the building. The height of the building is what? 5 meter. Is a dash. In this case, you wanted again angle of depression. You wanted, what is the angle of depression? These are the options: 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees. They are the options. This is, my friends, ground. This is the building. What is the height? Height of the building? Building is 5 meters. Building is 5 meter. 5 meter. And from here, the friend observes a car on the ground. Car on the ground. This is what? Horizontal line BX. This is your angle of depression. Then this is the line of sight, my friend. BC is the line of sight. Then from your geometry, these two are what? Alternative angles. This is theta. This is theta. Yes, C. Height of the building is 5. The distance from the foot of the building, to car is 5 root 3. 5 root 3. Then you wanted what is theta? Same thing. Tan theta equal to 5 upon 5 root 3. 5 upon 5 root 3. 5 cancels 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means what is your angle, my friend? 30. What is the option? C. In all these examples, my friends, remember tan theta, height upon length or distance, anything. This is what? Distance along the ground. Distance or length along the ground. This perpendicular means it comes with a height. Tall, height. Therefore, remember this formula. I have written note here. Remember, you have to go for what? Tan theta equal to height upon length or distance, which is h upon d. Height is h upon d. You remember only this, my friends. What is that? Tan theta equal to h upon d. Remember this. H upon d. See, same example, my friends. It's a waste of time drawing all these things. If you remember that tan theta equal to h upon d, direct. See, distance is length. Distance d. Given d is 5 root 3. From the foot of the perpendicular building, tall means what? Height, right there. Distance 5 root 3. Tall means height is 5. Then apply this formula. Tan theta equal to h upon d. Now what is your h is 5. What is your d? 5 upon root 3. 5 cancels 1 by root 3. Theta is 30 degrees. In this case, my friends, all this figure, everything will be of no use at all. Directly apply tan theta equal to h upon d or h upon L. What is that L? Length or distance along the ground, my friends. Then in this case, I will do direct example. A pole of length 10 meter perpendicular to the earth. An observer observing the tip of the pole. The angle of elevation is 45 degrees. What is this? Theta. Then the distance between the pole and observer. This is pole, this is observer is here. Oh, this is your pole. Leave all these things, man. Right. What is given? Theta. Theta is 45 degrees. Then pole of length. Length means distance is given. Distance you wanted. That distance. What is the distance you wanted? Observing the tip of the pole, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Then the distance between the pole and observer. See, the pole of length 10 meter means perpendicular to the earth means what? Height. That h is what? 10. You wanted a distance. Theta is 45 degrees. So tan theta equal to h upon d. H is this length of the pole. Perpendicular to the earth means what? That is a height. H upon d. Tan 45 is 1. What is your h? H is 10 equal to d. Therefore, h equal to d means what? 10. When the angle is 45 degrees, my friends, when the angle is 45 degrees here, this LHS is 1. If the angle is 45 degrees, heights and distances are same. Height is same as distance. If the height is 10, directly you mark what? Answer is 10. No need of writing all these things, man. All such things are the tips, my friends, directly to write the answer. MCQ answers. These are the direct tips. So when the angle is 45 degrees, as 45 is 1, h by d is 1. In this case, you get what? H equal to d, height equal to distance. Now, what is the height here, my friend? Height is 10. Then what is the distance? 10. Just to mark directly 10. Directly 10. No need of going with all these things, man. All these things. No need. Direct you can mark. Then I do, my friends, one more example. One more example. Yes, my friends, I apply this rule. This rule. This is what? Height. This is length or distance. Length or distance. This is height. This is theta. Then tan theta is h by d. H by d. If the angle is 45 degrees, tan 45 is 1. You get directly h equal to d. If theta is 45 degrees, directly you get both are same. Heights and distances are same, both are same. If theta is 60, tan 60, root 3, h upon d is root 3, so h is what? Root 3 times d, or what is d? H upon root 3. This you should write first. Then you find, if the h is given, you can find d. If d is given, you can find h. If theta is 30 degrees, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to h upon d. According as, if h is given, find d. If d is given, find h, with the help of this, my friends. In these two examples, I use the same practice. See, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point at a distance, d comes, my friend. At a distance 50, this is the d is given 50. D is 50. From the base of the tower found to be 45 degrees. Then height of the tower. 45 degrees means what? Distance 45. Theta equal to 45 implies what, my friend? Height equal to distance. Then what is the answer? Direct 50 degrees. Direct 50 degrees. Oh, understood. Understood. I explained earlier. Then I give one more here. If altitude of a sun is 30 degrees, my friends, 1 by root 3, 30 degrees, then height of a tower which cause shadow of length, again, my friend, what is this 30? D. D is given. You wanted, what is the height? Height, h you wanted. Directly you write tan 30, 1 by root 3 equal to h upon d. D is 30. Don't write this. If you wanted supportive, you can write. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. H upon d, we wanted. What is d? 30. Then what is h? 30 upon root 3. What is it? Multiply both sides, numerator and denominator, by root 3. 30 into root 3 upon 3, 5. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Cancellation, 10 root 3. 10 root 3 means what is that? Option is A. Option is A. In this case also, what is the option, my friend? Like this, my friends, have done around half dozen examples on heights and distances. Enough. Anyway, in the first model question paper given by the SSLC board, they were not given. Second, very simple. So, may or may not. Anyway, I have done some simple examples. So, where apply tan theta equal to h by d, or h by L. What is that L? Length, anything. Yes, my friends. This video I have done some examples on coordinate geometry and some examples on applications of trigonometry. Yes, combined. So with this nearly 4 videos I have done for the trigonometry and 2 videos for the coordinate geometry, and this 7th video, is what? Both combining trigonometry as well as what? Coordinate geometry. Trigonometry means application of trigonometry, and geometry means I have done some examples of collinearity of what? Points. If the points are collinear, area of a triangle is 0. Based on that, even perimeter, very simple example. Then median of this. I have done some examples based on all those things. Yes, with this I can say done fairly good examples on these two math, trigonometry as well as coordinate geometry. My request, my friends, friends, please refer these videos. I have done for your sake. Refer these videos. Prepare nicely. Try to get what? More number of marks in maths. It is my wish, my friends. Please, you to fulfill my wish. If time permits, I may do another 1 or 2 chapters of what? Your portion. I will decide it, which topic I have to do. I will decide and I do another 1 or 2 chapters, my friends, not all chapters, because your exam is announced already. It is on 19th. Therefore, because of that, I prepare another 1 or 2 topics and I do it, my friends. Yes, my friends, thank you for your cooperation. If you like all these videos, my friends, please share with your friends. Videos are free, no charge. They are easily available in YouTube. Tell your friends, if they type what? Belagali's classes, Professor Belagali's classes, immediately they get it. This comes under what? My friends, multiple choice questions, my friends. MCQ type. Even I have done everything for your 10th standard. Yes, my friends. Thank you very much. Bye. Goodbye. Namaste. Namaskara. Namashinyo, my friends. Okay. Namashinyo. Good day. Enjoy it. Enjoy with mathematics. Enjoy.